Good morning mga momshi. So we're gonna cook breakfast. I'll probably cook some fried rice, just a small amount for baby food. So we'll be using like pretty much 3 ingredients plus the rice. So I will show you, this is what we're gonna use. But let me show you first the ingredients that I'll be using, okay?
So guys, here are the 3 ingredients. We're gonna use 2 to 3 pieces of the little sticks, 1 egg, and just a quarter of the onions.
Momshies, I showed you the ingredients already. So that's 3 ingredients plus the rice. So we'll make a fried rice for my daughter. So this is what it is. It's a little stick. It's a turkey sticks right there. Let me show you how it looks like inside. Okay, so we're gonna take like a couple of it, probably couple or 3. And this is an easy hack for like kids for breakfast. So hopefully magustuhan niya. Usually ginagawa ko rin siyang torta, but this time we're gonna make like fried rice. So you chop it like this lang, right there. And I already chopped some onions on the side. Okay, right there. Just make sure guys malinis yung kamay nyo ha. Kasi syempre, for your babies, you want it clean and everything. Okay, let's wash your hands a little bit. And then, for beaten eggs right here, we're gonna beat this egg. Okay. You can put, what do you call that? Garlic on this one too, but hindi ko na siya lalagyan. So, yan lang pretty much, and fried rice. Mga momshies, okay? Let's start cooking. We're cooking na guys. Turn on the stove right there. Put some olive oil, of course. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. We're gonna saute the onions first. Hindi pa mainit yung mantika pero nilagay ko na mga momshies kasi I want, they say pag nilagay mo na yung mga bawang sibuyas, hindi pa mainit yung mantika, nag-aano siya sa oil, yung mga flavor niya napupunta sa oil. So yeah, well you can wait till it warms up a little bit too as well, but with me I throw it in there now because olive oil you don't want it like too hot as well, unless you're using avocado oil. Then you can wait till, because avocado oil can hold yung heat sa pan natin. Extra virgin coconut oil, it's not really. So yeah, nagsisizzle na siya. Mga momshies right there. Okay. Wait lang natin siyang maluto-luto yung sibuyas. Yan. Okay guys, naluto na yung sibuyas natin. Lagay na natin yung ating turkey sticks. Easy ano lang to, upscale breakfast for kids. I don't know if they sell this sa Philippines. I'm not really sure. Kasi hindi naman ako nagtitingin ng mga baby stuff when I was in the Philippines. Dito lang. So, I like this one. Actually, na-try ko na itong turkey sausage na ito. It's really good actually. I was surprised. Oh, we have beaten eggs. So maybe good when it's fried rice. So right there. Ayan. Luto na yun eh. Pwede na yung easy, ano na yun eh. It's ready to eat na yun. So we're gonna put the eggs in the middle, right there. High heat natin siya, mga momshies. Ayan. Ayan. And we're gonna put a little rice for her. Something rice lang. Si baby naman niya, maliit lang ang tiyan. Bago yung rice natin, momshies. So, hinalo ko lang siya dyan. You could stop right there if you want it. Guys, I mean, just mix nyo lang siya. But with me, I add a little bit of light soy sauce to it. Fish is already like big enough to take light soy sauce. So, just para may taste lang siya. Pero for little kids, like 1 year old, you could stop right there. You know, wag na kayo maglagay ng ano. Pero a little bit light soy sauce to it. para mabango lang. Right there. That's it. You could add carrots to it, but she likes to eat carrots on the side. And she loves broccoli on the side, you know. So that's it na. My fried rice na, baby. Let's put it in a bowl niya. Let's put it in a bowl. Right here. Kita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Palamigin lang natin and she can start eating na. Right there. Let me show you, Mom. She's okay. So, ayan na ang fried rice natin for babies. So, if you guys want to try it, go ahead and I bet you they would love it. Put some fruits on the side too as well for them. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, mga momshies. And I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you all for watching this here video.